Oops, that's the wrong music cue. There we go. We're going to go ahead and play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire for the Nintendo Switch as part of our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special. Let's see how it goes. We were going to do Family Feud for the Switch, but unfortunately the game would not load, so we're going to skip that segment and just go into Millionaire.
Questions, 4 lifelines, and a cash prize of $1 million. Welcome to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Let's start right away. And let's go for a whole new question.
In which state are the cities of San Diego and San Francisco? Maine, Washington, Florida, California. Those cities are in California.
I'm going to choose D.
Is that your final?
That's my final answer.
You make it look easy. You got it.
I believed it to the end. I did a good job.
Your new question is ready.
What is
Good
the name
luck.
of Bambi's best rabbit friend? Tapper, Flumper, Stamper, Thumper. His name is Thumper.
I'm choosing D. It inspires confidence in me.
Final answer?
That's my final answer.
You pulled it off.
A brilliantly executed success.
I think we all agree that we can move on to
Chicago
this
is
new
a city in
question.
which U.S. state? Indiana, Illinois, Idaho, Iowa. It's in Illinois.
I'm gonna say B.
And what will be your final answer?
Oh, yes. That's my final answer.
You make it look easy. You got it.
I believed it to the end. I did a good job.
This new question shouldn't give you a hard
Which
time.
fairy tale
In
character
theory.
ate a poisoned apple? Cinderella, Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, Thumbelina. That was Snow White.
It's B. Of course.
So this is your final answer?
That will be my final answer.
You pulled it off.
I took the time to think, and it paid off.
I think we all agree that we can move
What
on
is
to
the
this new
specific
question.
name for an inhabitant of Los Angeles? Angelus, Angelino, Angelian, Angelica. I'll say Angelina.
And I would say B, obviously.
I know you are waiting for me to ask you. So let's go. Is this your final answer?
That's my final answer.
This money is safe now, thanks to the threshold. Good luck to you for this new question.
St. Augustine, the oldest city in the U.S., is in which state? South Carolina, Virginia, New Hampshire, Florida. It's located in Florida.
I'm going to choose D.
Final answer? You sure?
Oh, yes. That's my final answer.
Yes, absolutely.
That was the right answer. I can't believe it.
Are you ready to face the traps of this next
For the
question?
song, what
Good
did the
luck to
soldiers in
you.
the First World War pack up their troubles in? A blue ditty bag? A big Gladstone bag? an old kit bag, a dry duffel bag.
Okay, guys, this is an important question. If you would pick up those keypads and enter your votes now.
I'll say an old kit bag final.
I have a good hunch that it's C.
Are you sure?
That's my final answer.
Of course.
I took the time to think, and it paid off.
Will you be able to answer this new question
The
as
song "The
well?
Battle Hymn of the Republic" is sung to which tune? John Brown's Body, My Grandfather's Clock, Marching Through Georgia, Swing Low Sweet Chariot.
Okay, let's call a friend. Hello, Edward. This is Who Wants to Be a Millionaire calling you.
Oh, good evening. Massimo needs me to help him, right?
Now pay close attention. You're not going to have a lot of time to pick the answer that you think is right.
Come on, Edward. I'm counting on you. You're the best. You can do it.
A? Yeah, go for it. A.
John Brown's Body, okay, John Brown's Body, A.
Yes, that's it.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, that's my final answer.
You make it look easy. You got it.
I believed it to the end. I did a good job.
Now that you've released the pressure, here's a new
In
question.
what full-length feature film do you hear the song "A Pirate's Life"? Pocahontas, Bolt, Peter Pan, Bambi. That's in Peter Pan.
My gut says that it's C. Okay, C.
Is that your final?
That will be my final answer.
Well done. You got it.
I took the time to think, and it paid off.
This new question is now waiting for you to be
Who is
answered
the leader
with
of the
flying
Huns
colors.
full-length animated movie Mulan? Shan Yu, Attila, Chifu, Zhao En. Shan Yu, A.
And let's go for A.
Are you absolutely sure? Is that your final answer?
Yes, that's my final answer.
You got there. Well done. Will you be able to answer this new
Which
question
author
as well?
created the character Brer Rabbit? Joel Chandler Harris, Harriet Beecher Stowe, Hugh Lofting, John Updike. That was Joel Chandler Harris.
Let's go with A.
And what will be your final answer?
Oh, yes. That's my final answer.
Yes, absolutely.
A brilliantly executed success.
Are you ready to face the traps of this next question?
Yes, I
Good
am.
luck to you.
Which Hollywood actor is a founding member of the Steppenwolf Theater in Chicago? John Malkovich, Edward Norton, John Cusack, Tom Hanks. I'm
Well,
gonna go for John Malkovich.
and let's go for A.
You know what my next question is, right? Is this your final answer?
That will be my final answer.
Just hope. You got it.
I believed it to the end. I did a good job.
For
The game is off to a
$250,000.
good start, but you
What color
shouldn't
is the
stop
middle
there.
band
Here
that
is a new
contains the
question.
coat of arms on the national flag of Peru? White, red, yellow, blue. I'm gonna switch the question, but if I were to
Quite
answer, I'd
annoyed
say
there,
blue.
Massimo.
So let's switch a question, hoping it will inspire you. Good
I would have
luck.
said blue, and I would have been wrong. It was white. I think I did not answer the question.
This new question is now waiting for you
Who
to
published
be
her first
answered
novel,
with flying
Star, in
colors.
2004? Pamela Anderson, Jordan, Jennifer Lopez, Paris Hilton. 50-50.
Okay, please take away 2 random wrong answers and leave the correct answer and the 1 remaining wrong answer.
I'll say Pamela Anderson, A.
Let's go with A.
You seem to be convinced, but is this your final answer?
Yes, that's my final answer.
That is correct.
I took the time to think, and it paid off.
Concentrate. Here's a new question for
In
you.
Wall-E, what is the name of the spacecraft on which what is left of humanity lives, completely dependent on technology at all times? Zaxxon? Axiom? Absalom? Zephyr?
No, but that one's the right answer.
I'm taking the money.
Unless...
Okay, there we are. I push the button and you will walk home with your threshold.
$250,000.